Hello, kif intom? Nispera li kulħadd jinsab tajjeb. Trust that everybody is feeling well. I am going to add this extra clip as some students have asked me to record it for them. So this is lots of responses from students during the Skype sessions, and I've just put it onto one slide. And every week we keep adding to it or we change it. Sometimes we might come up with a dialogue. So here are the responses to kif inti, how are you? Or you can say kif inti sejjer, how are you going, male? Kif inti sejra for the female, how are you going for the female? Mela nibdew issa. Kif inti il-lejla? Kif inti dalodu? Kif inti sejjer? Kif inti sejra? So they are the questions. The responses are Jina tajjeb, jina tajba, ħafna grazzi. Insomma, ekku ek. Mhux ħażin. Jiena għajjin. Jiena għajjina ħafna. Jien binqas. Jiena eċitat. Jiena eċitata. Għandi uġieħ ta' ras. Tuġani rasi. Tuġani zaqqi. Juġani dari. Juġoni grizmejja. Juġoni saqajja. I have also added here the rule of the ein and the akka at the end of a word has a h sound. Okay, just like uġieħ. It ends with an ein, which means that it is a h sound, uġieħ. If you have the ein and the akka side by side, the two silent letters, it makes a h sound, double h sound. Okay, so if you come across those, these are the two rules you need to follow for the silent letters. Inkomplu, we'll continue. In hosni bil-ġuħ, in hosni bil-aċ. In hosni imdejjaq, in hosni imdejqa. In hosni irrabjat. In hosni irrabjata. In hosni stressjat. In hosni stressjata. In hosni inkwetat. In hosni inkwetata. In hosni ferħan. In hosni ferħana. You can also use kuntent, kuntenta. In hosni mhux ferħan. In hosni mhux ferħana. Okay, so that is in the negative, not happy. In hosni mhux kuntent. In hosni mhux kuntenta. Again, in the negative, I am not content. In hosni marit. In hosni marida. In hosni ma niflaħx. Again, there is the negative. I am not feeling well. In other words, I am ill or sick. Et inħoss il-bart. Et inħoss isħana. ħafna aħjar illum. Mil-ġimgħa l-oħra. You can also say ħafna aħjar il-bieraħ. Much better than yesterday. Kelli ħafna x'namel. Għandi ħafna x'namel. Notice the kelli and the għandi. Kelli is in the past. I had or I was very busy. I had lots to do. Okay, literally that's what it means. Għandi ħafna x'namel. I have lots to do. I am very busy at present. Għandi is I have. Kelli is I had. You can say illum imħabbat, illum imħabta. Or you could use the kont. Illum kont imħabbat. I was. Kont I was. Inti. So some students, when they arrive for the lessons, I ask them, Inti, are you there? They reply with Iva jina hawn. If it's in the plural, I would ask, Intom, are you all there? Iva, aħna hawn. Yes, we are all here. We also did some idioms and some sayings and phrases. This is one of them. If you are looking on the screen, it is in yellow, highlighted. Uf xidweja kem ġbajt. So that just means I am so frustrated. I am so annoyed. I've had enough. Okay. Uf xidweja, how annoying. I am, frustrated. Kem ġbajt means I've had enough. And then at the end, I suppose at the beginning, after I've asked everyone, if everyone is there, I say, kulħadd hawn, everyone is here. Mela nibdew il-lezzjoni tal-lum. So we'll start, or let's start today's lesson. Students also ask me, għandi mistoqsija. In other words, I have a question. My response will be, Aidli, tell me. So that was just a quick recap on one of the slides that we have done during the term to kif inti, how are you? Responses to how are you? If you have any others, you might want to write them down and leave them in the comments. Saħħa għallum narakom darboħra. Ciao ħbib. Bye friends. Ciao.